NeuroDyne Drops has been popping up everywhere lately, especially in ads that promise sharper memory, better focus, and long-lasting mental performance. The website boldly calls it the #1 rated formula for enhanced memory and claims it has already helped thousands of people clear brain fog, boost cognitive energy, and improve focus, all from the comfort of home. They also highlight a 60-day money-back guarantee and repeatedly ask viewers, what if you don't notice any improvement, positioning the product as completely risk-free. On the surface, it sounds very reassuring, especially for people worried about memory decline or aging. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, once you look past the smooth marketing, several concerns start to appear. One of the biggest issues is that NeuroDyne makes very strong claims about improving memory, focus, and mental performance, yet there are no real clinical studies, medical journals, or credible scientific references linked on the website to back these claims. The site vaguely mentions thousands of people in clinical trials, but provides no proof, no study names, and no independent verification. Another major red flag is the way the product talks about FDA approval. Dietary supplements cannot be FDA approved in the way prescription drugs are, yet the marketing language often makes it sound like NeuroDyne has some official medical backing. On top of that, there are extreme medical-style promises floating around in ads and videos, including implications of reversing memory loss, preventing dementia, or even helping conditions like Alzheimer's. These are serious medical conditions, and no over-the-counter supplement can legally or realistically make those claims. Transparency is another issue. There is very little clear information about the actual company behind NeuroDyne, who manufactures it, or where it is truly operated from. The branding itself can also be confusing, with similar product names like NeuroDyne Drops, NeuroDrops, and other variations, which can easily mislead buyers. The marketing relies heavily on fear, constantly reminding viewers about aging, brain decline, dementia, and loss of independence, while also using phrases like "Big Pharma doesn't want you to know," which is a very common tactic seen in scam-style promotions. The sales videos also use a lot of fancy, scientific-sounding terms like brain shielding, neural protection, or neural sunscreen, but they never clearly explain what these terms actually mean or how they work. Social media ads promise fast, dramatic results, while also claiming the product is 100% natural with zero side effects, which is simply unrealistic for any supplement. When you look at real customer feedback, the concerns grow even more. Several Trustpilot reviews describe people being charged but never receiving their order, with no refund provided. Some customers say they never got a receipt and had to cancel their credit cards after failed attempts to stop the charge. Others report trying to return the product due to ingredient conflicts with medications, only to be denied a return address and repeatedly pushed to accept discounts instead of refunds. There are also reviews calling the promotional video an AI-generated presentation, pointing out glitchy visuals and unnatural speech, accusing the company of mixing real scientific facts with misleading fiction. One reviewer even mentioned a very low legitimacy score on scam detection websites and warned people to read the one-star reviews before buying. Another major concern raised is that the advertised ingredients don't even match what's mentioned later in the FAQs, and the product label itself is never clearly shown. So, is NeuroDyne Drops legit or a scam? Based on the lack of real scientific evidence, extreme claims, confusing branding, fear-based marketing, and multiple negative customer experiences, this is definitely a product you should approach with serious caution. If you're considering something for memory or brain health, it's always safer to consult a qualified healthcare professional and rely on treatments backed by real science, not just slick marketing videos.